took us to like fucking Roxborough. And we were like, fuck, we're in Roxborough. And
Don't flick water near my phone.
How are we gonna get home? Because I don't know.
Oh, Bill.
Ew. Never be that desperate. Are you videotaping me? This is gonna go on YouTube.
I tried calling him to like, wow, you're a dumbass. But then he called me back. Are you taking a video?
Oh my god. It's an insulin pen. I'm texting to them back here.
I know you're hiding your eye.
Where are you? Oh, you just flicked water in my face.
Very well, true, yes, just touch.
The bush dog.
What's not her? Roughage? She likes some roughage. I wish I was a cow right now, because then I could eat.
Happy cows come from California.
Someone's lawn chair. Apparently, we're not the only ones who know that.
Crikey.
Crikey, there's an alligator! Holy hell! They're all touching me.
Okay, I can't record while I'm going over.